She's very thick. Just look how thick she is. This is my hair before I shampoo it. Remember last week, I shampooed my hair with Cécred for the first time. And this is how my scalp is looking right before I shampoo it. So today I'm only going to be using the hydrating shampoo from Cécred. And the reason why I'm going to be using just the hydrating shampoo is because last week I used the clarifying shampoo, and I heard from a licensed cosmetologist that you're only supposed to use the clarifying shampoo maybe once or twice a month, but not every time you wash your hair. So I'm only going to use the hydrating shampoo this time. Okay, y'all. This is how it looks. I used 2/4 size amount of the shampoo in my hair. It's not as well, the 2/4 size amount of shampoo gave me this much of sub. It really didn't soap up real good. So it really didn't lather real good on the first try. So we're gonna see what it do on the second. So it looks like I'm gonna have to do this 3 times. Or maybe my hair was just really dirty. But this is how the soap is looking. Okay, yeah, so this is the shampoo, the second shampoo. It lathered up pretty good than the first one. And I used a 1/4 size amount of shampoo for this lather. So what I'm noticing on the shampoos are that the clarifying shampoo lathers up real good on the first shampoo. And then the hydrating shampoo lathers up real good on the second shampoo. Okay, so today I'm going to be using Cécred's Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. Last week I used their Fermenting Rice Ritual Protein, and you're only supposed to use that every 4 to 6 weeks. So today I will just be using the deep conditioner, and then next week I'll use the I think it's called the Reconstruction Treatment Mask. I use that next week. She's very thick. Just look how thick she is. Okay, y'all, this is how my hair is looking after I have rinsed out the conditioner. I'm going to be using Cécred's Moisturizing Sealing Lotion. I'm just going to apply a little bit to my hair before I do my braided ponytail. Here's my hair slicked into one ponytail. So I'm going to be using some Shine and Jam Edge Control just to make sure my edges lay. I'm not doing any baby hairs or nothing. I just wanted the edges of my hair to lay flat. No baby hairs. I don't really do baby hairs. I'm not a fan of the baby hairs. Now, if you do baby hairs, do you, that's you. I'm just not a fan. And plus, I have a low hairline. I don't have room to be doing baby hairs. And now I'm gonna take some Got To Be glue and kind of just, not Got To Be glue, but Got To Be glue freeze spray and kind of just spray. Here's my hair in a ponytail. I'm about to blow dry this straight, but I have to blow dry this straight off camera. I'm gonna add to my hair the Cécred Nourishing Hair Oil, aka liquid gold. This is some thermal shield heat protectant from Cantu. I blow dry my hair as much as I could, or stretched it out as much as I could. I need to put a scarf around my head, y'all. But I'm looking for my scarf. Also, I took one of the braids and wrapped it around my hair. I thought that was cute. Okay, you guys, if you made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you for watching and tuning in. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, because I will be uploading another video using Cécred products, and maybe I'll create another style. But of course, I see now that I am going to have to add other products to my hair to create other styles until Cécred get other products in their product line. But until then, we're just going to add other products to the Cécred hair line as needed. Now, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, share this video run up the likes on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.